How to start selling on Amazon in 2023. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So I will be teaching you a few steps or a few tips for you to have a good and successful selling in Amazon. So if you really want to have a successful journey, please watch this video and learn from it, and watch until the end. Without further ado, let's start this video. So first, let us know what are the pros and cons of selling in Amazon, since Amazon is different from any other drop shipping business. So these are the things that you need to know. I will show you. So I have here a set of pros and cons for the Amazon, or just to show you why it is important to see the pros and cons before you embarking on the selling of products on Amazon. So first we have the cons. Of course, in every business we have to have a startup money or a capital. So this is not a dropshipping business like where you don't need a capital. You just need to have a marketing strategy. And of course, the pros is a great way to get a lot of traffic to your product, since Amazon is very well known, and I think one of the, if not the most famous online shopping business in the world. So you may get a lot of traffic since it is very popular. Another con for the Amazon is that since you are using their platform, you have to follow the rules. But with this, you can access to the FBA program, or this is like a program for Amazon for you to have better understanding or better marketing strategies. I think this is stands for better or Amazon, something like that. But that doesn't it is not important. And moving on to the cons, or the other con, general issues when running any physical product business. So just like any other business, you will run into any problem just like a business. And of course, it is simple, but it doesn't mean that it is necessarily easy. Since it is simple, since you can just set up your account or set up your shop in Amazon, but it is not also easy since you have a lot of things to do in order for you to improve your store or your overall marketing strategies for your products to be successful. So the other step, or the next step, is to find a winning product. So how you would do this? Well, I have here a marketing research tool that you can use for Amazon. So this is called as Helium 10. So what you need to do here is just type in the keywords in order for you to know if that product is selling or have good traffic in the Amazon website. So you would have a good idea if your product would sell or not. So just go to the Helium 10 website. You can search it in your browser, and what you would do is just sign up for it. So there is a fee for this kind of website, since it will help you in your marketing research. Alright, so we are here on the tool section of the Helium 10 marketing tool or keyword tool. So just search your keywords and go to the tool section. So we can see here a lot of options or filters that you want to have, since it will greatly help you in your marketing research for you to have a good and to find a winning product for your Amazon store or Amazon finds for your store. Okay, so let's have a very brief explanation of what this does. So you can have here your product name or your category for your product. You can also have the competitors or your price. So since it will filter if your price and your product will have good sales. And also you can have the review count and then the monthly revenue for your product. So just it's up to you on how you would filter things out, and until you can have or see a good result with this tool that I have provided for you. So I hope you would find this tool very helpful in your Amazon selling journey. And a tip for you guys on searching for the right product: choose a product that has less reviews, since more reviews have or means that you have more competitors for this kind of product. So moving on to the next step is to find a good supplier and check the ROI. So what you need to do is to find a good supplier, and a step to do is go to Alibaba.com. So you must have heard Alibaba.com, and you can check the prices here, and then you can also check the suppliers as well. So if you could check it in Alibaba, you would see that the same products are also in Amazon. So what you need to do is check the supplier, and what you need to do next is go and check if how long the suppliers are supplying these products in Amazon as well. So you would know that if the supplier that you are trying to contact is reliable and have good products, so this will also reflect on the store or the business that you are going to put out in Amazon. So the next step is to sign up for an Amazon account, since you have done your research and have did your check on suppliers. So just go to Amazon Seller Central, where you can sign up for an account or create an account for you to start your Amazon selling journey and to start your business as well as soon as possible. So make sure that all of your information have been provided so that you could set up your Amazon account with no problems at all. So the next step is to start importing products. So let me just tell you guys that if you are in this stage already, so just make sure that you are sure of embarking on the Amazon or your Amazon selling journey, since this is one of the hardest parts, since you are now importing products and you are now actually going to sell some products in the online market. So it will have a great impact in you if you are not sure, since it will fail and it will be damaging your Amazon selling journey. So the last step is to start listing your products. So this last step will be applicable when you start to receive your products and you start to list them on the Amazon website. So it is very easy and very straightforward. So I hope this video helped you, and I good luck you to your Amazon selling journey. So please consider subscribing and liking this video, and see you on the next one.